What do you have?
Zoe, what is that?
A cookie.
Did you ask to have a cookie?
Yeah.
Who did you ask?
Mm.
Who?
Mia.
You asked Zoe? What did Zoe say?
Maybe she's praying. Thank you for this new day. Thank you for this. Thank you for that food.
Amen.
Good girl.
Do you-
This is my eyes.
You did close
That was
your
a
eyes.
Good girl.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
You prayed all by yourself, didn't you?
Like that?
Yeah, good job, Zoe. Mommy is proud of you.